Daily Insights, your guide to wisdom and knowledge. I am DrLaxley Stephenson. Join me as we uncover the knowledge in everyday life, transforming the ordinary into extraordinary teachings. Daily Insights aims to spark your inspiration, ignite your curiosity, provide valuable insights, and explore life's most significant questions. Together, let us embark on the path of self discovery and personal growth as we discover the light of wisdom and knowledge around us. Today, I want to talk to you about something we have all felt at one point or another. That nagging feeling that no matter what we do, it is just not enough. We are on this never ending treadmill, chasing after the next big thing, thinking it will make us happy. But let's be honest, it is like trying to catch smoke with your bare hands. This is the heart of what I call embracing contentment, the journey beyond dissatisfaction. Have you ever noticed how, when you finally get that thing that you've always wanted, maybe it is a new phone, a new car, or even a promotion at work, the buzz wears off so quickly. And then it's on to the next thing. It is like we're programmed to want more, more, more. But here's the kicker. What if the secret sauce to happiness isn't in the more, but in appreciating the now, appreciating what you have? Think about this. When was the last time you stop and look around, soaking the little moments? It could be that morning coffee ritual, rain tapping on your window, or a good laugh with an old friend. These moments are the real deal. They are what life is all about. But here we are, day in, day out, racing through life so fast that we barely taste our food, let alone savor the moments that make life worth living. Here's a thought for you to consider. We've got to hit the brakes. It is time to get off the treadmill and start living for the now. I am not saying that we shouldn't have dreams or ambitions. Far from it. But it is about finding a balance. It is about setting goals that light a fire in your heart, not just because society says it is what you should want. Now, let's talk about connection. Real, genuine connection. Not just the likes and follows kind, but the kind where you sit down, have a heart to heart, and truly connect. That is where the magic happens. That is where we find a sense of belonging, purpose, and joy. So, what do you have to say? Are we ready to step back, breathe, and appreciate the here and now? To redefine what success and happiness mean to us, not just what we're told they should mean. Wow, it is not going to be easy as old habits die hard. But imagine a life where you're not constantly chasing the wind, a life where you're truly content with the here and now. That is the journey beyond dissatisfaction. That is embracing contentment. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.